It will be little difficult to hear what I say. Background change editing is scam. In this video, I reveal the biggest lies of recent trending photo editing before-after transformation videos in Instagram, and teach you how to make this kind of unlimited background change editing in just one click using AI. And in the end of the video, I break out an important thing in photo editing: no editors reveal you. So let's get into the video.
But is this loving war? He know that I love him, got him fucking me raw. He know I ain't with it, never did it before. Yeah.
Install Photo Room app and open it. Select the photo you want to change the background. It will automatically scan the image and remove the original background.
I got a bad bro, name hot in these streets, no Tabasco, but I'm so stubbed, that's a fact.
Then select the Create with AI background. You can see lot off themes, select it, and the app will create a background automatically for
I
you.
already done it, and I got your little boo telling me she love me. I got this one, that one, damn, it's gonna be a long night. Yeah.
For example, I selected the graphite theme. Let's see the magic. Our image will transform completely.
I said, damn, it's gonna be a long night. Yeah.
In this app, you can adjust the image and background using the settings I shown.
Look. I tell shorty drop it for a real one. Yeah. Go ahead.
You will also regenerate the image unlimited times in same theme to get exact picture in your imagination.
Everybody act out. I don't lie to these women. If I want them, then I tell them. Don't get fly for these women.
You will also resize the image size to all social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, etc.
You know that I run it. Everything you.
You will also select the prompt given below and change the background as your wish.
I got this one, that one. Damn, it's gonna be a long night. You know. I got this one, that one. Damn, it's gonna be a long night. Yeah. MD. JPB. You already know, baby. Yeah. I said, I already done it. Everything you wanna do, I already. You know that
Otherwise, you have own ideas for background type here.
I said, you know that
automatically generated it. For example, I typed
it's gonna be a long night.
hop in forest.
JPB, it's only right, baby. Yeah, why you mad? I got a bad bro, name hot in these streets, no Tabasco, but I'm so stubbed, that's a fact, yo. And if you think I'm frontin', you can run it back, yo. Go on, run it back.
We are comes under an important part. The important step of background change editing is color grading. You can elevate your edit like this. It will look so realistic. You can do this color grading in Lightroom or Snapseed. I use Lightroom to elevate. Thanks for watching this far. To know about awesome editing technique like this, make sure to like and subscribe. Any doubts, comment below.
Yeah, let's go.
We are comes under an important part. The important step of background change editing is color grading. You can elevate your edit like this. It will look so realistic. You can do this color grading in Lightroom or Snapseed. I use Lightroom to elevate. Thanks for watching this far.
I don't lie to these women. If I want them, then I tell them. Don't get fly for these women. I was born with these propellers. All my haters cannot beat me, so I call them acapellas. See, I'm only getting better. You only get jealous. You know that I run it. Everything you wanna do, I already done it. And I got your little boo telling me she love me. I got this one, that one. Damn, it's gonna be a long night.
To know about awesome editing technique like this, make sure to like and subscribe. Any doubts, comment below.
I got this one, that one. Damn, it's gonna be a